Globes, welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we will be watching another episode of Globe that some of the luckiest blooms met and shared their dreams to our Binigers. And for today's episode, we got Maloy and Joanna. So, tapos na tayo sa first three with Stacy, Gwen, and Aya. So, we have another two for today, and let's all watch it. Let's go. Let's go first to Maloy. Connected. Go for dreams. Together.
Hi, I'm Clarine, currently
Hey,
21 years
Clarine.
old, and I am a computer science student at Polytechnic University of the Philippines.
Nice.
And I dream to become a digital artist.
Oh. Ay, ganda ni Maloy.
Oh,
Ganyan din reaction ko. Pag nakita ko sila.
I'm Maloy.
I know!
I know!
Grabe, kinikilig ako.
Aside
Swerte.
from inaaral mo ngayon, ano pa yung mga passionate doings mo?
More into arts din yung gusto ko talaga. Ang layo, di ba? Like, comsci.
Yun nga eh.
Then biglang arts.
Oo.
So like, I tried kung anong field na may relate sa arts. That's where I knew about UI, UX.
So parang hindi ka rin lumalayo kung saan ka interested. Ang saya din talaga i-share nung arts mo sa
Yes.
lahat. That's what I'm passionate about.
Yes.
Enjoy ko talaga.
Of
Ito.
course.
I wanna see.
Let us see.
Yeah, I do portraits.
Oh, wow.
Ito, wait lang. Ako rin.
Sige, patingin.
Isa to sa fave ko.
Mm.
I love how like it's so abstract.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Oh, yung beauty
Diba?
and chaos.
Yes,
Parang
yes,
yun
yes.
talaga. Drawing na natin isa't isa.
Okay.
What if?
Nice
Actually,
one.
big dream yung ma-display siya sa isang art gallery. Ganun. You know, makikita yung
sobrang
name
gets.
mo and then
Oo.
you're being true to yourself without having to put it into words.
Ganon din yung
Wow.
dream ko na someday. You show your vulnerable side. Kasi, di ba, yung arts mo, parang yun talaga kung ano yung nafe-feel mo, yung mga
Yeah.
unspoken thoughts.
Hindi din naman kasi kami from a rich family. So, you know,
Super
it's a
gets.
factor na yung ipupursue mo, malaki yung sahod, ganyan.
Oo.
You know, we don't have enough allowance. Scholar lang tayo ng magulang natin.
May program si Globe na
Oh.
para for students talaga. Kasi syempre, di ba, students talaga, kailangan tipid-tipid.
It's a big thing for us students kasi nga, Globe not only connects people through a network, but
Yes.
through communities as well.
Talagang
Wow.
sila yung isa sa mga naging instrument for us to connect more with you guys.
Yeah.
Just small interaction. Pwede kang makapagpabago ng buhay.
Mhm. Ang... Wow! Ang ganda!
Actually, this is
Ang
my
cute.
first time na
I'm gonna say
mag-draw
it.
ng ganitong art style. Thank you for capturing my ginger hair. Hope na nakapagbigay ako ng konting hinga sa'yo. Kasi nakapag-arts tayo. Step by step, matutupad mo lahat ng dreams. Di ba? Katulad nga sa song namin, di kailangan magmadali para magwagi. Buhay ay di karera.
Hold on to your dream. Together, let's
Aw.
go for it. Find out how Globe can help you go for your dream here.
Nice one. Nice one, Globe. That was amazing. So, ang cute lang. Those arts, wow. Hindi ko alam pero hangang-hanga ako sa mga taong ang gagaling sa arts, ang galing mag-drawing. I tried that before, pero parang hindi talaga para sa akin. Pero, like these people na talagang they are so passionate about art. Ang ganda, ang cute lang talaga ng drawing nila sa isa't isa. So, I appreciate that. And of course, mga idols kayo. So, let's go for Joanna. Alright. Let's go, Master Jo.
Hi, I'm Vinnie Joanna.
I'm Benjamin Chodoro.
Journalist.
Try to guess your dream work. Can you send me a screenshot ng home screen mo?
Okay. Why would that person be needing like a screenshot of my home screen?
Same kami ng interest, journalism, and nag-agree siya nung sinabi kong mas news writing ako and reporting kasi ganun din daw siya. Baka nakalaban ko na to before sa competition.
Baka kilala mo nga yan, Jo.
Based on his notes and based sa mga apps niya sa phone, so feeling ko talaga journalism.
Yeah, that is my dream. Journalism.
Are you ready to meet the other subject?
Yeah, go.
All right.
I would have never known that I would meet a pop star, like
Wow.
our very own Beanie.
Kung ipapursue mo talaga tong journalism, what kind? Kasi ako parang feeling ko broadcast journalism ako.
Journalism about the things that actually matter. You know, like
Grabe,
the-
all-rounder
no,
ka.
Oh,
that actually matter,
all-rounder.
but I really like the idea that from a young age, we're giving the people the power
Totoo.
to have the knowledge. Yeah.
Tama yan. Amazing
Tropa mo talaga
may
to si
news
Jo
up
eh.
ka.
Yeah, I really like to not only see my national news, but international as well, like Bloomberg, New York
So
Times.
how do you share your content?
It's through school organizations.
Diba?
Mm-hmm.
Oo.
Especially like RSPC natin, yung mga poetry speaking, debate teams.
May ganun ka rin.
Wow.
Yeah, so I get to share my, creative thinking and not only writing but in broadcasting.
So what will make it easier for you to pursue journalism?
It'll be, a reliable connection. My connection currently, Globe.
Yes
Because of the signal, the
naman,
coverage that they
talaga.
have. It enables me to do my dream like anywhere. I could write anywhere on a cafe, on my school grounds.
So ano yung ultimate goal mo? Na masasabi mo na, okay na to, I made it.
Once I know that if I go up to, a fellow 18-year-old, they'll say, hey, I've read your article. You made me learn more. You helped me and my family grow.
Alam mo yung dream mo na yun, huwag mong bibitawan yan. And magugulat ka na lang, nandun ka na. Tulad nga doon sa lyrics ng song namin. Sa bawat panibagong umaga, ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Dahil buhay ay di karera.
Thank
Yay.
you, Jonah, for this interview.
It's not always easy, but it's your dream, so hold on to it. Together, let's go for it. Find out how Globe can help you go for your dream here.
Nice one. Thank you for that, Globe. So that's it. From our two Beanie Girls. So about journalism, that's why magagaling sila magsalita kasi may mga ganun palang activities like debate, team, and broadcasting, reportings. Talagang makikita nyo sa kanila that they are full of knowledge. So, that's it, guys. Wala na akong masabi. Nag-iisip pa ako, pero I feel like naubusan na ako ng words. So, thank you, Glow, for that. And I think I'm gonna check it out kung anong opportunities ang meron. Baka naman, makakuha tayo. So, yun lang. Hope you enjoy it. And let us wait for the other three girls to have their own shared moments. With Globe, of course. Yun lang. See ya, guys. Bye.